Hello friends, we are starting with the lecture of standard 10th SSC board subject algebra. I am starting with the chapter number 1 linear equation in two variables. First of all, we used to understand what do you mean by variables. What are the variables? The variables in the equations are x, y. As we are studying two variables, we will always consider the two variables as x and y, a, b, m, n. Whatever the alphabets are there, we can use it as a variable. According to the definition, an equation in two variables, I have repeat my word, an equation in two variables. Two variables, what will be the variables? X, y, m, n, a, b, whatever the variables, these are called as variables with the degree of variable 1. This is called as a degree. The degree of variable x is 1, the degree of variable y is 1. An equation in two variables with the degree of variable 1 is called linear equation in two variables. For example, 5x plus 3y equals to 1. Here the two variables are x and y and both the variables have a degree 1. So this is a linear equation in two variables having a degree 1. To solve this equation, we have three methods. Methods for solving simultaneous equation. Method number 1 is elimination method, graphical method, Cramer's rule. First of all, we will learn for elimination method. First method is elimination method. Consider the sum number 1. We have two equations. 5x plus 3y equals to 9. This is our first equation. I have given this first equation, and the second equation is 2x minus 3y equals to 12. Equation number 1, equation number 2. To solve the equation simultaneously, first of all we have to choose one variable, x or y. Try to choose that variable which have an opposite sign. Here we have in equation 1 we have 3y, and equation 2 we have 3y. But the signs are opposite, so I have chosen the variable y so that I can eliminate these variable y. Equation 1 and equation 2, I am adding the equation 1 and 2. I have written the equation 1, 5x plus 3y equals to 9. Second equation, 3x minus 2y equals to 12. I am adding those equations. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7x and 3y minus 3y gets cancelled. 9 plus 12 becomes 21. So finally we get the equation 7x equals to 21. Now 7 is multiplied here with x. So I am shifting the 7 on right hand side. It goes in division. So x equals to 21 upon 7. We are factorizing the equation. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So we got the value of x equals to 3. Finally we get the variable value x equals to 3. Now for getting the value of equation in y, substituting the value of x equals to 3 in equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. 5x plus 3y equals to 9. I have repeated this equation, 5x plus 3y equals to 9. Now we are going to substitute the value of x. I have substituted the value of x equals to 3. 5 into 3 plus 3y equals to 9. 3 5s are 15. Here 15 is in addition. As it goes on right hand side becomes the negative. 9 minus 15 is minus 6. 3 is 9 minus 15 is minus 6 because the greater number sign is negative. 3 is here in multiplication, goes to right hand side division. Will divide it. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So we get final value of y equals to minus 2. So final solution of the problem is we get the value of variables x and y. X comma y is equals to x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 2. That's we have completed for sum number first.